In a small town, Farmer Joe was puzzled by his cow, Bessie, who refused to moose. Desperate, he turned to telemedicine. "Doc, Bessie won't moo," he exclaimed. The doctor, through a pixelated screen, asked, "Have you tried asking her nicely?" Joe, bewildered, replied, "She's a cow, not my wife." The doctor chuckled. "Well, Joe, maybe she needs a change of scenery. Try showing her a picture of a handsome bull." Joe did just that, and to his surprise, Bessie mooed loudly. Turns out even cows need a little motivation. Like, comment, and subscribe for more laughs.